If you're an entrepreneur building software as a service, don't focus on the software, focus on the service. Everyone says stay away from services, software scales, services don't. That's what everyone told me in my early days as a venture capitalist. When I asked why, I always got the same answers. Scaling a services business requires labor, and labor costs money. They used to say, if you want to keep margins high, stick to software. Build it once, sell many copies, charge recurring subscription forever. Don't get me wrong, SaaS has exploded over the last 15 years. And vertical software is a great business model, but it doesn't fit every market. Software is ultimately a very small piece of the global economy, and most software companies build niche products and try to carve out room in small industries where a $10 billion market size seems large. To add insult to injury, some industries are just too resistant to new software products. If you find yourself trying to sell tech to resistant buyers who are too rigid to make a change or too broke to afford it, it's time to ask yourself, should I sell software as a service or simply sell the service itself? Look at Uber, for example. Uber has meticulously built the best taxi dispatching engine in the world. Instead of trying to sell this technology to taxi operators, a horrible customer segment, they decided to employ this technology to provide consumer-friendly transportation services, directly competing with taxi operators. Transportation is a huge market that can sustain a $150 billion company like Uber, but transportation software is much, much smaller. Another example comes from Aleph portfolio company, Lemonade. The company built sophisticated underwriting technology and could have theoretically sold it to insurance companies. Instead, they leveraged their tech to become an actual, modern insurance company and sell insurance directly to the consumer. So now, they are competing with incumbent insurance providers in $1 trillion market. And the most incredible thing, these companies were founded more than a decade ago. Imagine what a novel company armed with artificial intelligence and LLM-based networks could do today. These technologies can already be used to build and deliver code at scale and to replace human labor in many business tasks. Daring entrepreneurs could leverage AI agents to compete with old-school service providers from the 1900s and disrupt trillion-dollar industries. Aleph has already invested in this model. Our portfolio company Spines is the world's newest and fastest-growing book publishing company. Go to a traditional publisher, and it will take you 18 months to get your new novel out. Use Spines and get it out in less than 30 days. They use AI for everything. To spell check and edit the text, to create a wide range of cover images. They can even use AI to create a voice-narrated audiobook for you. At Aleph, we invest in the next generation of category-defining services companies. We are looking for daring entrepreneurs that want to take on sleeping incumbents in huge industries like logistics and transportation, energy and manufacturing, advanced services, and many, many others. If you want to build an actual company that competes with the largest in the world, we want to talk with you.